如何吧？
of appeal how prepare the work it's ko crowd of PKSD sesinu seller ko deputy commissioner secretary nu ba salani ko pejezari tebe tobye pumunja jate horma is really to come forward. We will be reading out the memorandum of appeal to all the participants today, so kindly step forward. The memorandum of appeal is prepared under the official pad of Southern Nangami Youth Organization. But this memorandum of appeal is not on behalf of SAYO, but will be submitted on behalf of all the participants in this rally today. So I request all the participants to kindly stand still till the memorandum of appeal is submitted to the concerned authority. Allow me to read the memorandum of appeal to all present here. Office of the Southern Nangami Youth Organization, Headquarter, Jakhama, Kohima, Nagaland, dated 18th November 2025. Memorandum of appeal to the Honorable Chief Minister, Nagaland, Kohima, through Deputy Commissioner, Kohima, Nagaland. Subject: appeal for justice for the murder of late Viho Zhao on 24th October 2025 and immediate action to protect women's safety in Nagaland. Honorable Sir, we, the undersigned, on behalf of the Southern Nangami Youth Organization, submits this memorandum through your esteemed Deputy Commissioner, Kohima, seeking your kind intervention and support for early disposition of the aforementioned case. That with deep anguish, We demand for swift justice with regard to brutal murder of late Viu Hojunuzao on 24th October 2025 at Old Ministers Hill, Kohima. A young woman whose life was taken in an inhuman and unacceptable manner. This heinous crime has shaken the conscience of the entire community and has created an atmosphere of fear, insecurity, and anger among the citizens, particularly women and young girls. The Southern Nangami Youth Organization is not only the voice, but the will of the organization of the Southern Nangami community alone, but also a defender of the mutual interest of all the citizens in the region. In this pivotal era, our purposes extends beyond representing a single community. It stands for justice, equity, and collective well-being of every individual. As such, we hereby places our urgent demands and pressing issues that require your immediate action. Point number 1, immediate apprehension of all persons involved. We demand that all individuals involved, whether directly or indirectly, in the murder of late Viu Hojunuzao be identified, arrested, and interrogated without delay. Although one perpetrator was arrested, we appeal no perpetrator or accomplice must remain at large. Point number 2, assure deterrent punishment under the law. The brutality and gravity of the crime call for the strictest and most deterrent punishment under the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita BNSS 2023. We demand that the state government ensure that prosecution is conducted with full seriousness, without compromise, and that the accused face exemplary punishment to send a strong message against crimes targeting women. Number 3, no bail to the accused persons. Given the seriousness of the offense, the threat to society, and the potential of intimidation of witnesses, SAYO strongly urges the government and competent authority to oppose any bail application of the accused at all stages. We demand a firm directive to the investigating and prosecuting agencies to ensure no accused is released on bail until justice is fully delivered. We opposed any person coming forward to bail out the accused under any circumstances. Point number 4, strengthen investigation and monitoring. We request the Special Investigation Team to leave no stones unturned until all the persons involved in the commission of this murder, as well as suppression of evidence of late Viu Hojunuzao, are apprehended, ensuring speedy, accurate, and transparent investigation. Regular monitoring by senior police officials should be mandated. We request usages of modern technological investigation methods such as CCTV surveillances and digital video forensics, mobile phone and call data record analysis, DNA profiling, automated fingerprint identification system, cyber forensics, and digital evidence extraction, GPS and geolocation tracking, forensic anthropology, and autopsy imaging. Point number 5, preventive measures to safeguard women and girls. The rising concerns over women's safety requires immediate government action, including sub-point 1, strict enforcement of laws against sexual harassment, assault, and trafficking. Number 2, mandatory installation of CCTV in public spaces, transport hubs, and high-risk zones. In light of public anger and fear, we request the Honorable Chief Minister to issue a public assurance reaffirming the government's commitment to point number 1, zero tolerance for crimes against mankind, and number 2, swift justice delivery. Although reports await, we humbly request your magnanimous assistance in pursuing and expediting the case, which has been forwarded to the concerned state authorities for further investigation. The Southern Angami Youth Organization will continue to stand firm until justice is delivered and concrete steps are taken to promote, protect our women and society. We earnestly urge your esteemed authority to accord priority to this matter and take requisite action at your earliest convenience. Submitted by, sealed and signed, Zaisi Solepio, President, Mahavil Luho, Action Committee Convener, Kinesel Tetso, General Secretary, Southern Angami Youth Organization. Unite and rise. Thank you.